Ang aming pong laro ay Unlock, The Mystery of Mary Show.
Ano ba yan?
Dead Silence.
Nakakatakot ba talaga yan? Play. Ala, gago ka muna. Pag yan natakot ako.
Years ago, in the town of Ravensville, in the dark and secret woman by the name of Mary Shaw.
Mary Show.
She was a ventriloquist.
Uy, tingnan mo muna yung sagot niya.
And when she died,
Wala, ano yan? Ano mangyayari sa akin?
now the legend goes,
Blue.
God died from her doll. Look closely at this rod.
Ano yun? Palitan natin yung pass ng FS. Anong pass?
Click the
Anong
flashlight
pass?
to drive away Mary's ghost.
Si Green ko magpindot. Dali.
Ano yung pindutin?
Yung ano dyan, yun o.
Ito?
Oo.
Oo, ano yan?